Now, Marquee is different, separate tool than Avid, but it's in its function. It's very similar to Photoshop and some of the visual the programs that you use to work on images. Um, so it's not going to be too super complicated to get your wrap your head around it. Um, this is your display window, and usually what Marquee does is selects your the first frame of your movie to work on as a background. So if you want to cancel it, you just hit background and it will turn into a black frame. Uh, my first frame is black, so it doesn't really affect whether I click on it or not. And a good idea is to actually activate the save action title, because this is what it will give you the dimensions of a TV screen, and you will not be positioning your text outside this window. So you will find the rest of the tools pretty easily and intuitively here on the left, the text tool, the edit tool, etc. Let's use the text tool first. So I'm going to create some space here to write my title. This is my title, text. And you'll see that there's several things I can do with my title. I can basically change pretty much everything. I can change its size, um, the kernel. I can change the font and the color too. Here, I want them this gray, for instance. So this is just a test. If I want to reposition the title, you will see that this little box snaps to um, the save action window, so you won't have too many problems with that if you have it turned on. Then there's another set of possibilities here. You can actually drop shadows, for instance. Let's say that I want it um, like red, gray shadow. Well, I have it there. You can manipulate it here. You can change other properties here. You can rotate your title like three-dimensionally, but we're not gonna. You can explore that on your own. The what is more important for me now is that you, after you do this, you need to save um, your title, and you usually would save it to a bin in in um, in Avid Media Composer. So let's save it to a bin. I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna name test. Uh, and I'm gonna click OK, and that basically saved my title test um, into the Avid Media files in my drive, but also in the bin that I'm selecting here. So I'm gonna put it in the raw footage bin. Okay, and now it is saving it, and it is here. You can see it. Okay, now we're gonna see in the next video how to put it in our sequence.